Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you a little mini haul from Fansells that I got. I've got a couple of off-the-canvas items and then a couple of specials, and I'm excited about all of them, so I'm just going to jump in. So first, what I have is two diamond painting trays. I'm just going to open one of these since they're kind of stapled or taped together. It's just this really cute leaf diamond painting tray, and it's pink, and I thought it was super cute for just something fun to have. I've decided I need to start collecting things of different colors and shapes and things just so I can take some pretty Instagram photos when I get around to doing things, and I thought this would be a good way to do it. But also they're just cute, and the leaf tip here is like a little spout so you can pour your drills in and out. These were $1.45 for two of them. I think they had a couple of different colors, but as always, I will stick a link down below so you can check them out for yourself. So there's those two things. Then I've got a couple of off the canvas items, and this first one, it's a bookmark, but it's a bookmark unlike one that I've ever seen before. So we get our typical toolkit boat plate of wax pink pen. We've got our drills here. You can see they're not very many, but this is all there is to diamond paint. It is just a little bookmark, and you just slip it over the edge of your page. I've never seen a bookmark like this before. I'm sure they've been around for a long time, but I'd never seen one. And I like the little mandala style of the look of it. You just peel off the little plastic here, and then it looks like they sewed over the plastic on that little piece. Anyway, you just peel off the plastic and then you diamond paint it. So let's look at our drills really quick here. It looks like it's got, 8 different drills. I'm trying to do all my crinkling off camera. All right, so, we've got 9 drills. So let's look at what we've got here. Let's start with our rhinestones. We've got clear. We've got like a pale pink. We've got an orange, a blue, a very dark purple. And then we get into our special drills. We've got a large or a small yellow round, a small blue round, and then we've got some iridescent teardrop and some red marquee. So don't think it would take very long at all. It's not very big, of course. And then you have a really cute place marker for those of us who still read actual physical books and not just on your e-reader. Okay, and this was $2.44. Next, I'm going to be looking at the other off-the-canvas item, so don't miss that. I'll be right back. All right, the other off-the-canvas item, these are little ornaments. I'm not sure what they're going to look like, but they were very intriguing. So I thought I would try them. All right, so we get our little string light thing here. So you can open it, put your batteries in, turn it off and on. We get pretty standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pin. You do get a couple of baggies in there as well. You get some clear stickers. I'm not sure what those are for. And then we have our 3, and these are just cardboard, but they're 3 different designs, and then somehow you stick them together. There's no instructions. Oh, I wonder if that's what these are for. So once you've got them diamond painted, you can put them into shape and then hold them into shape with this. Let me look at the box really quick. Yeah, the box is not a lot of help. So I'm going to assume that's what this is. You diamond paint it, and then where all these little holes are, you're going to poke out those so that the light can shine through. And then it's got like these little score marks so you can bend and figure it out. I'm going to have to try these. So you get 3 different designs, like I said. Let me open the drills. All right, so we've got a bunch of special drills and baggies, and then we've got rhinestones in our regular drill bags. So we've got green, we've got like a light turquoise, kind of an old yellow, antique yellow, and clear. And then in all of our other special drills, we've got like a blue kind of textured teardrop. We've got a small gold round. We've got a very small blue pearl teardrop. We've got some elongated marquee shaped gold. We've got some red iridescent marquee. We've got some very pale yellow star rounds. We've got a small blue pearl round. We've got some red pearl teardrops small. And then lastly, we've got some of these teardrop shaped kind of antique gold special drills. Super curious to see how this works. I'll have to go hunt up some batteries. It looks like it takes 2 AA, and then figure out kind of how to string these together after I get the drills on and put them in the shapes that they need to be. So yeah, really curious how this one is going to turn out. These were $6.13 for the 3 of them. Hey guys, I wanted to show you some of the items that I finished, and I gotta say, I'm actually pretty happy with these. So I finished the little bookmark. So you just slip the page of your book or whatever in there, but it's just this very nice and easy little mandala pattern, and I think it turned out really well. I'm super happy with it. And then I also finished the little ornament things, and I don't know how well the colors of the wiring is going to show up. Maybe I'll turn the lights off and we'll see, but 3 different patterns. So we've got this kind of green and reddish one here, and we've got this very pretty blue one here. I really like the drills in this one, and then we've got this one that's kind of the red and everything. So folding them is a bit of an adventure, but I think they turned out really good. Like I said, I'm really happy with them. So let me see if we can see anything. I'll just turn the lights on and you can see. You can't really see anything behind them. Stringing them, you know, and getting the lights inside is a little bit tricky. I just left mine and figured I'd run them through later, but I'm sure you could figure out how to hang them and attach them. And it's multicolored, so that's nice. Let me see if I turn out one of my lights, or maybe both. There you can see all of the lights a little bit better. All right, let me turn my studio lights back on. Pretty cool for what you get. I just wanted to show you what I had finished. Back to the rest of the video. All right, then I've got 2 canvases. They're 2 special canvases. Ooh, this one is so nice and soft to roll up. Love that. This one is kind of the autumn one. Standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. It is a round special kit, as you can see. And here is this cute little autumn star that just says hello autumn, this little wooden star. I just thought this design was really cute. We do have a schematic on both sides, only 10 drills, so not very many, and we do have all the DMC codes, so that's nice. The last one must be some kind of special drill because it's got just a letter next to it. It is a 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is 25 by 25. I just love the fall colors of this. I'm ready to get my fall on, and so nice and sticky where you need it to be. So let's look at the drills. All right, so most of these are just the round rhinestones. We do have just some basic black drills, and then we've got like a smoky brown rhinestone. We've got red, we've got yellow, we've got a true red. This is more like a dark red, and we've got like a brownish orange, a turquoise, kind of a very pale orange, a dark yellow, and then we've got our special drills, which are these small red rounds. So yeah, another kit that I don't think would take very long. I think would be nice and quick and fun. And I don't usually like doing canvases that have words on them because I think it's very hard to make them legible, especially at small sizes. But special drills I don't mind because of the way that it's done. It's very easy to read. This one was $4.29. All right, 1 to go. All right, this is another one of those really soft, thin, easy to roll up canvases, so like that. Standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. It is a round drill kit. It's got, I think, 1 special drill in there, maybe 2, so we'll see. And here is this cute little Santa with the wreath and the tree. I just thought he was adorable. So again, we've got a schematic on both sides. Oh, it looks like we've got 2 special drills because we do have our crystal codes and our special drill codes. It is a 30 by 30, so let's measure, which I'm sure it's going to be, since these are both partials, it'll be 25, yeah, 25 by 25, since they give you the lovely little line to cut on there. It is Nice and sticky where you need it to be. Only 10 colors for this one. So let's look at our drills. All right, it looks like we do have a couple of special drills for this one, but first the regular crystals. We've got clear, we've got red, we've got yellow, we've got like a dark green, kind of a dark brownish orange, kind of a gray smoky color, some regular black, and then we've got like this kind of pale pink. And then our two special drills, we've got these small red rounds and some small gold rounds. So again, I just thought this one was super cute. This one was also $4.29. I just thought both of the partials were super cute, and I was really intrigued by some of the other stuff. All right, I'll be right back for a recap. Don't go anywhere. It's me again, guys, and I wasn't sure I would get everything finished, so I'm filming this at a different time, but I finished the other two items and I wanted to show you what they look like. So here is the autumn star, and I think this one turned out really great. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I don't normally like having lettering or words on a diamond painting because you have to have it a pretty decent size for it to still be legible, but it works really well when it's a partial. I'm really happy with the way that this one turned out. I like the little berries, the big round beads for the berries, and I think the colors, the kind of antique gold and the copper looking ones work really well for the wood colors of the star. Super cute. All right, and then the other one that I finished was the Santa Claus. Look how cute this little guy is. So you've got the little tree here with the star. There's another star over here. You've got an ornament and a bow, the poinsettia down here, and then of course Santa himself. I did think it was a little funny. They did include black ABs, and they gave me a whole bag, or black drills. Gave me a whole bag. You need a whole 4, which I thought was kind of funny. But you know, who can't use extra black drills, right? I think they both turned out super cute. I'm super happy with them. So yeah, there you go. That's what they look like finished. Back to the rest of the video. All right, so we've got our two canvases. We've got our autumn star, and we've got our Santa Claus, and then we've got our couple of off the canvas items. We've got our cute little mandala bookmark, and then we've got like our mandala decorated little Christmas ornaments, and we've got our little leaf-shaped diamond painting trays. As always, guys, I will stick links to all of these down below so you can check them out, as well as anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.